Yo, summer's right around the corner and I'm trying to get you to 15% body fat because that's usually when the abs come out to play. This is when they start peaking and so do you. It is important to know before we hop into this video that the only way to lose fat is by eating less calories than what you're burning that day. Essentially, that caloric deficit is going to cause your body to start looking for energy from other sources, and those sources will be fat. Quite literally, burning fat. However, there are certain tricks that you can do at night to help boost this metabolic process to help your body burn fat as efficiently as possible. Let's hop into it. Number 1, go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Look, I go to sleep at 10 at night every day and I wake up at 4 a.m. every morning. And like clockwork, my body's already programmed. Around 9:30, I'm already getting tired and I usually wake up before the alarm even starts ringing because my internal body clock is so set. What this allows is for me to have that deep quality sleep that you need. See, lack of sleep has a myriad of negative side effects, including increasing by almost 28% a hormone called ghrelin, which is also considered the hunger hormone that increases your appetite throughout the day. It also slows down metabolism and how you handle glucose, which pretty much means that you're gonna end up storing more fat from the exact same meals. And if that weren't enough, it also affects the levels of testosterone, which means these are just about 3 of like the negative 20 plus things that occur to your body when you don't sleep right. Number 2, work out for 1 minute. You heard me right, 1 minute will get you shredded. Well, kind of overselling it there. See, what I want you to do is ease into the workout. See, if you're trying to lose weight, you've never gone to the gym, I want you to ease into it. In other words, tonight, do a minute of a workout. Do a minute of push-ups. Then the next night, do 2 minutes of push-ups. Then the next night, you can start building a HIIT workout where you could do push-ups and sit-ups, or push-ups and burpees, or push-ups and air squats for 3 minutes. And then you'll do 4 minutes, and then 5 minutes of working out. The point is that you'll gradually add about a minute of physical activity every single day. By the end of the month, you're already doing 30-minute workouts every night that's gonna get that blood flowing. It's gonna get that heart racing, and of course, since you're burning calories, it's gonna help you burn fat. Number 3, take CLA. CLA is a naturally occurring acid that's found in meat and dairy that can help you not only lose fat, but also retain that lean muscle mass. And they actually tried this on a group of overweight women where they gave them CLA every single day, and over the course of a year, they lost about 9% body fat without any changes to their lifestyle and their eating habits. So yes, the fat loss on CLA is super moderate on this, if not marginal, but in compound with a caloric deficit and working out, you're gonna boost your fat loss process. And this is why my CLA from NatureWise is my go-to this summer. I'm trying to get leaner and more shredded, and I want you to do the same. See, what I like about NatureWise is that in their little capsule, they provide about 1,300 milligrams of CLA. This is about 95% potent, and it is the most potent capsule in the entire market. And the ingredients come from pure quality, non-GMO sunflower oil. And this is why I'm adding it to my nightly routine, and it's coming from NatureWise. You're getting the best of the best and the most potent to help you not only support that fat loss process, but also maintaining some of that lean muscle mass. Like I said, in compound with actual working out, not only is it gonna boost your performance working out, but it's also gonna ensure that you're getting the best bang for your buck. The cool thing is that the capsule is easy to consume, it doesn't leave any weird aftertaste, and they're affordable. So you're already supposed to be taking your multivitamin every day, so why not add this to your nightly routine every night? Here's the cool thing, with NatureWise, you're not gonna break the bank. If you guys wanna check out NatureWise and you wanna start taking CLA or adding that to your nighttime routine, I want you guys to click the link down below right now. If you use my special code, you're gonna get 20% off the first bottle. Like I said, the bottles are affordable as it is already, but at 20% off, it's an absolute steal. With one bottle, you should be able to start seeing a difference in your training style and in your body. They also do a subscription program where if you want, they can deliver that bottle at a monthly rate. That way, you don't even have to worry about it having to reorder. If you guys wanna check out NatureWise and use that special code, click that link down below. Number 4, increase your protein. See, this macro is key in being able to continue to build muscle and retain muscle as you're burning fat or getting leaner. This is also a key nutrient needed to repair lean tissue because as you train, these muscle fibers start tearing. This protein helps aid in the process of repairing those muscles, and more importantly, a high dense protein diet is also said to help satiate some of that hunger to avoid you overeating. The recommended rate is somewhere around that 30%. So that means 30 30% of your calories should come from your protein, and that protein-dense diet that you're gonna start consuming will help you eat less throughout the week. So if you're not eating enough protein right around nighttime, this is when you can supplement a protein shake. So if you wanna add this to your nighttime routine to, again, get leaner, add a protein shake to increase your protein intake throughout the day. And finally, number 5, I'm gonna need you to turn off your phone. And I know what you're thinking, Jose, what the hell does your phone have to do with getting leaner? See, when high amounts of stress start attacking your body, it can lead to your body increasing fat storages. And yes, while eating right can counteract this effect, calorie control will be much harder because your willpower will be low because you're under so much stress. And your phone, it's most people's main source of stress. You're worrying about likes. You're worrying about what people think on social media. You're comparing yourself to others on social media. You're worrying about work emails. You're worrying about text messages that you have to respond to. It all just gets overwhelming. So at night, set about a deadline. About 1 hour before going to sleep, because you should already build a sleep schedule, you want to shut off your phone and completely disconnect. This will be your hour where you can de-stress to help keep your stress level and anxiety low and also help you stay leaner longer. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, if you guys want to check out NatureWise's CLA capsule, I'm going to have it linked down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.